Today we're going to read about where and when a hurricane forms. We have a couple paragraphs to read through, and then we'll move on to respond to parts A and B. Follow along as I read, and we'll go from there. Where and when a hurricane forms depends on four basic factors. The first is latitude. Most hurricanes occur at latitudes of either 5 to 30 degrees north or 5 to 30 degrees south of the equator. The second factor is wind, which must blow in the same direction between the ocean and 40,000 feet and at a continuous speed of at least 74 miles per hour. The third factor is the surface temperature of the ocean, which must be at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, the atmosphere must contain a lot of moisture to fuel the hurricane. A hurricane begins as a tropical disturbance. As the ocean's surface water absorbs solar energy, it becomes heated and starts to evaporate. The water vapor condenses as it rises, releasing heat energy in the process. This causes the winds to speed up, produces updrafts, and lowers the air pressure within the eye of the storm. These forces work together to increase evaporation and condensation. The cycle continues and the storm intensifies, lasting as long as 3 weeks. However, once on land and without the warm ocean waters to supply heat and moisture, a hurricane usually dies out quickly. So part A wants to know what are the four factors required to form a hurricane. Well, if we look in that second sentence in first paragraph, it says first factor is latitude. And we go from there where it says in the following sentence, the second factor is wind. Continue to read through. Third factor, surface temperature. And then lastly would be atmosphere must have a lot of moisture. So moisture in the atmosphere. Part B wants us to write the vocab word to complete each sentence. So part B, write the vocab word to complete each sentence. Number 1, sensing the blank in the atmosphere, the captain turned his ship toward shore. Sensing, our vocab words disturbance, latitude, updraft. Pick the best one that fits. I'm going to go with disturbance. Number 2, the hawk used the blank to soar higher. Well, if it's between latitude and updraft, updraft means the upward vertical movement of air. I would think a hawk would use the updraft to soar higher or fly higher. So we have updraft, and there you have it, guys. Week 15, day 2. Hope you made corrections if you need to, and have a good day.